wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Bluetooth speakers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Edifier USA Spinnaker marries high-quality audio with a striking design. They have optical and auxiliary ports, making them ideal for music, video games, movies, and more. However, the volume controls can be difficult to use. They come with a remote control and never lose connectivity to devices. However, they are heavy and expensive. At number 9, the Creative Movo Mini is dustproof and has a cover flap over the jacks to protect them against spills. Additionally, it fits in a backpack and comes with a simple and neutral design, making it a great choice for any college student or traveler. It produces a strong and clear treble and features tap-and-play NFC, but there are no controls on the speaker. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Fugu Tough is the perfect speaker for the outdoorsman or woman. It's specifically designed to hold up against the elements, being waterproof, shockproof, and snowproof. Its 40-hour battery life complements its toughness, so you can listen to music up and down the mountain. It offers Google Now and Siri capabilities, and 6 drivers on 4 sides. However, there is some distortion at high volumes. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for Bluetooth speakers, or click beneath this video. At number 7, the Stell Audio STP-LRMB looks like a vase, so it blends into any room, making it a good option if you host large parties and worry about theft. It's also omnidirectional, so you can place it anywhere and the sound quality stays the same. Comes in 8 stylish color options and offers an easy and fast setup, but it is far more expensive than most. Moving up our list to number 6, the Sony SRS-XB2 comes with a few surprises that prove that high price isn't always better. It can connect to 2 devices at once, so you can listen to music without missing a phone call. It has an impressive 12 watts of power capable of delivering more bass than other options. It includes a carrying pouch and a micro USB wall charger, and it delivers good high and mid tones too. Halfway up our list at number 5, stand out with one of 8 different colors when you use the JBL Flip 3 to deliver some of the loudest bass available. The dual passive bass radiators not only drive up the sound, they do it with no distortion, making this the perfect option for those who like it loud. It features a beautiful battery life indicator, noise and echo cancellation for calls, and can connect with up to 3 devices. At number 4, the Beats Pill Plus uses a separated tweeter and woofer system that delivers sound that reaches recording studio caliber. It also has several helpful and intuitive features, like a battery power gauge and a clear interface. Hi-hats are clear but not too loud, and it has a fast recharging time and a 40-foot Bluetooth range. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, rugged and capable of the crispest and most room-filling sound, we highly recommend looking at the Bose SoundLink Color 2. This second-generation model is an outstanding refresh from its predecessor, with better sound and support for use by simultaneous multiple devices. It boasts easy pairing technology, an attractive water-resistant casing, and long-range Bluetooth connectivity. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for Bluetooth speakers, or click beneath this video. At number 2, if you want to listen to music and take phone calls in the shower, you need the incredibly popular Cambridge Soundworks Ooms Angle 3, a splash-resistant master of sound that has a built-in microphone for speakerphone calls. It's an all-around amazing option at a very low price. It features incredible distortion-free sound, a long 7-hour battery life, and a standard micro USB charging cable. And taking the top spot on our list, choose the Ultimate Ears Boom 2 for extremely high sound quality and volume, matched with an amazing IPX7 waterproof rating. Unlike other speakers, it isn't just resistant to a light splash, it can be submerged in water, and it's loud enough for the whole pool to hear it. It features Google and Siri voice integration and an unbelievable 100-foot range. It wirelessly syncs with other Boom 2s too. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for Bluetooth speakers, or click beneath this video.